Molweni, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Thank you so much for everyone who's watching, clicking, sharing, subscribing. Hey, yabulela nyanya. Hey guys, indaba zabantu ababini singabozingena Thixo nofefe. Awuyena uMangwabe lo wayesitsho ukubana this is giving me an opportunity for the last time ukubana nditsho ukubana goodbye to Musa Msele. Shiqi happily bayibukelele irugby umuntu nomuntu wakhe nkosi yami. Yazi bayasilaya thina abo watching spirit. Ooh, guys, I'm happy for them. I am so happy. I'm happy ukubana no one is leaving because whoever came. Naba, they look happier than thou. They look so happy, guys. They look so happy. Now, uMangwabe nomuntu wakhe, they are having us time. Ba busy yena babukelele rugby. They're even watching. They're even wearing matching caps. This is so cute, honestly. This is so cute. Abantu bayatsho ke napha ku comment section ukubana me an hour later after ngiqelela ichomi zami ukubana andisamfuni kwayena. Me also posting the same pictures with the men that are me also at the same time with the very same man bese ngiqelela ichomi zami ukubana andisafuna kumbona pha hambe kwakhona. Hey guys, yazini as women, things that we say when we are upset. No, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.